Hi guys, are you facing lag, freezing, poor video playback in Google Chrome browser? So guys, if yes, then learn how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome browser for faster performance and smoother pausing. So guys, in this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the exact steps to turn hardware acceleration on or off in Chrome browser, whether you are using Windows 11, Windows 10, Mac, doesn't matter guys. So guys, so to enable or disable hardware access in Chrome, just try to open the first Google Chrome browser. And from here, guys, as you can see, just go to the three vertical dots. You can see the right corner, hit on that. And guys, from here, just try to come down and you can see the settings option, the second last, and hit on that. And from the settings section, just come to the left side. And from the left side, just try to come bit down. And from here, guys, you can just try to find the system. You can see, just hit on that. Now, guys, you can see the from the system sections, the second, use graphics acceleration when available. So, guys, if you want to make it enable, you just enable. If you want to make it disable, just disable. If you if you want to disable, just again you have to go to the relaunch. Yeah. So this way, guys, you can turn it on, off hardware acceleration in Windows 11, Windows 10, Mac operating system, guys. If you want to turn on, you can go and turn on. Have to hit the relaunch. So, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.